Mayat at gat panapon kay kayo. Magandang hapon po mga kapatid fans. We're coming to you live here sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Ako po ang lingkod, Ryan Paro. This is the second half of our broadcast ng ating Delta Cup ngayong araw na ito na linggo, November 20. Our games at hand for this afternoon is gonna be Floridablanca versus SASMUAN. Let's review natin yung mga previous games kanina. Nung first game, nanalo ang Guagua laban sa Masantol 64 to 50, or rather Mabalacat versus Mexico rather 64 to 54. Nanalo ang Guagua laban sa Masantol, and just recently nanalo ang Santa Rita laban sa Arayat 85-65. Two contrasting teams, SASMUAN galing sa talo, Floridablanca galing sa panalo. We'll see how far they can go in this team standings. Later in this broadcast, or maybe on our next broadcast, we will update to you via our Facebook page the complete team standings. So, it's Florida versus SASMUAN on this particular broadcast as we take a look at our starting fives. Gregorio, Manalang, Lugto, Manuel, and Tungol for Floridablanca. For SASMUAN, we have Visda, Saldi, Tungol, Marukot, and Chapsol. We'll be right back for the starting fives. Let's pause for a short break. Okay, umpisa na po tayo ng ating first quarter ng ating game 4 of 6. That's a jump ball violation. Dapat, okay, explain natin sa mga kabataan paano po yung tamang jump ball sa ating first quarter action. Antayin mo muna si referee Birds Isugo na i-throw up ang bola bago mo tapikin. Pero yung ginano mo tapos tinapik mo kagad, hindi pwede yun. That's a jump ball violation. First quarter action, unang possession sa naka-blue. That's the team of SASMUAN. Ito yung bayan ni Japet Aguilar, who's now a proud father of two. Her wife, or his wife, will be conceiving, and they will born the second baby sometime in March next year. And again, congratulations kay Japet Aguilar. Of course, nagsilbi siya sa bayan for 12 years as a national team player. Thank you for your contribution. At ito na yung bayan mo, Japet, sa SASMUAN. Let's see if they can hit fated on this game. Mintis ang jumper para sa Floridablanca. So, Floridablanca is ito yung bayan na after nito, Santa Fernando going west. The drive and drop play did not materialize Fast break para sa Florida Blanca. Ayaw. Pumasok. SASMUAN now on the offensive. Naghanap na siya ng papasaan. Uy, minabati ko pala si Rene Alok ng UNTV Sports. Glad to have you with us. At nandun sila ngayon. They are covering the UNTV Cup sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. I missed this play that match. Tagal-tagal na rin nakapanood sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. And of course, this broadcast is brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office by Governor Delta Pineda. And of course, Sinag Liga Asia, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Chairman Racket Chan and our team, our tournament commissioner, Coach Leo Isaac, is in attendance for the past 2 days. Talagang grabe. Grabe ang sipang ng ating napaka-humble na commissioner. 8:22 remaining first quarter. And a problem, Papuan 2. Nice drop up. First bucket for SASMUAN. Eight, 9 remaining sa ating first quarter. So far, isang shot clock pa lang gumagana. Pa rin kabila, hindi pa rin natin maaayos. Ay, meron tayong tie-up sa loob. Jump ball. Possession now pointed to the other way. Tignan natin yung last bit of action. Ayun, jump ball talaga. Ball possession goes to Florida Blanca. Now they change the possession out to the other side. Ayan, yun yung tama, no? 5 on the shot clock. Are they aware of it? Can they need to shoot the ball? Naagawan. Forward pitch. Exactamente. He scores. We have a good SASMUAN crowd here. The BREN GUIAO Convention. This building, the Pampanga Convention Center, inaugurated in 1993. In time for palarong pambansa in 1994. No less than the late Governor BREN GUIAO. That's why this arena and this complex is named after the father of coaching, the late BREN GUIAO. Ayan. Trivia lang sa ating mga Kapampangan. And they slated to host the palarong pambansa for Pampanga next year. Yun ang balita natin. Kaya talagang puspusan ngayon si Governor Delta Pineda as we have a shot clock violation laban sa Florida Blanca. Puspusan ngayon yung pag-repair, pag-renovate ng mga arenas ang ating butihing governors na si Governor Delta Pineda, who in fact, he will bag for another national title on another league. So, pagdasal natin ng successful championship run ni Gov Delta. Layup no good for Florida Blanca. Wala pa rin silang score. Ito na SASMUAN. Fast break, sidestep. Ang pasa masyadong malalim. It will stay with the blue shirts of SASMUAN. .6:45 remaining in this first quarter. Wala pa ring score dito ang Florida Blanca. Ito na SASMUAN with a good start. Oy, naagawan. Nice crossover. He's gone. Wow. Gregorio showing some hops. And on the other hand, SASMUAN, great passing play. That deserves a second look. Take a look at this slow-mo with his possible three-point play opportunity. Let's see that again. Gandang pasa, sumalubong, plus a foul in one. And this guy, that look is like an Eskimo look. Pang-commercial, no? 6 and 19. There you go. His name is Tungol. Mula sa bayan ng SASMUAN, Pampanga. Great upper body, But he blew it on the free throw. Ball goes out of bounds almost. Nice save. Shot clock now at 10 seconds. Alley-oop play. Oy, tumama sa ring. Reset ang shot clock. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Nice reverse. That's Salam who scored the basket. 5:55 left first period. Only 2 points so far for Florida Blanca. Nako, nagipit sa ilalim. Kinuyog. At may foul na matatawagan. It's Tungol will be called for the foul. That's his first. 5:45 remaining. 3-point shot on its way. Bitin. Ball is loose. Excuse me. Balik ang bola sa Florida Blanca. Only 8 on the shot clock. That's an illegal pick. A moving pick. And Layog will be called for the offensive foul. Layog had a great performance last time out. That's why nanalo ang Florida Blanca. Now SASMUAN will try to end their losing streak. Hopefully we'll get a much needed win. 5:20 left. Shot clock at 10. Here's the attack. Batted away. That one for number 17. He was called for traveling. Kitang-kita yung sa sigaw, no? Pinito. Lahat sila sinabi yung sa sinasabi ko, traveling. Nakakatawa. Nakataba ng puso. Cortez checks in for the very first time. So new 5 on the floor for SASMUAN to ensure that they have fresh legs, fresh lungs in this ball game. Cortez jumper. He got it. That's like a cool cat move. Yung anak ni Mike Cortez naglalaro ngayon sa San Beda, Jacob Cortez. Drop to shoot now. 10 on the shot clock. Drive in play. Hang time. Uy! Sabit sa kamay. At may foul doon malamang si Chapson. Let's take a look at the slow-mo of that last bit of action. Ito yung drive. Huli sa kamay. Ayun, kitang-kita. Huli sa kamay. Thank you. Great angle for our camera in there. 2 free throws para sa Florida Blanca. Only 1 basket so far. Medyo kulang. We'll get another crack from the free throw line. Yes, sir. 3-10. SASMUAN. 4.5 remaining in the first quarter. You're still watching the Delta Cup Live. My name is Ryan Paro. Nice block shot. And here comes another fast pick for Florida Blanca. It won't happen. It's a counter steal by SASMUAN. 3-on-4 break. The drop. Touch passing. Won't work. And there's a foul. Ayun, sumisigaw na si Bert Isuga. Sabi niya, 25! That's our league referee, Bert Isuga, who celebrated his birthday yesterday. Belated happy birthday, Birds. Nice shot by number 25. Rattles in. After the foul, Serrano scores. Ang foul pala yung kabila, sorry. Yung number 25 ng kabila. Nakaagaw dito ang Florida Blanca. Another home run. He got it. It's a 4-0 or 6-0 run. 6 unanswered by Florida Blanca. 9-10 now. It's a close first quarter. Shot clock at 10. Baseline. Uy, parang tumapak yun. Hindi na nakita. Yun yung eksaktong nangyari doon sa Lubao. Tsaka, ay, masyado malakas ang pasa. Yun yung eksaktong nangyari sa Lubao at Borak. If he did not step on the line, that shot would count. 3:13 left. First quarter. 10-9. 1-point lead for SASMUAN. They have 15 seconds on the shot clock. It's now down to 10. Mayroong pick doon sa labas. Drive in play. Gets it to go. And this is going to be the first timeout of the game. Ang SASMUAN tatawag ng timeout. Let's see some highlights, or if not, yeah, that seems highlights of this incursion. Here's the bucket by the guard. And Juan Toloso to the basket. Timeout. Yan ang mga magagandang dilag sa kabalin. Yun ang tinatawag sa kasabihang English na beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Yours to the Paro, back in live action. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 48 seconds. It's a 1-point game by Floridablanca. Layup. Put back. Ball rolls out. Oh. It comes to grief. Likewise too for Floridablanca. They incur the turnover. Two and 25 remaining in the first quarter. Oh, great nerve-shattering shot block. Floridablanca tumatakbo. The layup. Ay, magandang tira yan ni China. And the ball goes back to Floridablanca. Chance for them to grab the lead. What a pass! Oh, what a block! Hinuli ni Boral. Direk, I want to see that replay. What a sequence. Here's the fast break. Here's the behind the back pass. Huli sa likod. Wow. And a turnover. 4-on-2 fast break. Can they complete it? No, they don't. Oh. Late in the first quarter, both teams playing helter-skelter type of basketball. Ganyan-ganyan po sa college, no? College basketball. Kahit dito sa high school, senior high school basketball natin. 1:40 remaining is a 3-point lead for Floridablanca. Medyo nahihirapan sila inside. Here's the pass. Extra pass. Masyado mababa. Another turnover by the white shirts. 1:26 remaining in the first. 13-10 is our score. Here's the open shot. No, he will not take it. He goes for a haywire. It won't happen. That ball didn't draw iron. No, nice hook pass. The reverse layup by Kina. That's too much. That's too much. 3-point edge. Despite the outstretched arms, he still managed to score. That's Manalang. And on the process, SASMUAN steals the ball. Thought about the three, decides to drive. The drop off, intercepted by Floridablanca. Foul immediately time against SASMUAN. All important play now for Floridablanca. Time down to 40 seconds in the first quarter. This will be for probably a momentum shifter. They made a lot of outside shots, but he hasn't made any yet. Here it comes, 3-point shot. Still have the basketball. First 23, the turnaround. There's a foul. At si Magpayo, matatawagan ng unang foul para sa kanya. 2 free throws now for the offended party. Two free throws now for this guy. No free throws made. Still a 1-point lead for Floridablanca. Time down to 20 seconds. Last shot time. Marakut has it. 10 seconds to go. 3-point shot. That's a long one. Nope. Ball is loose. Still has it. Manalang. 2 seconds to go. He didn't score, and that should do it. Floridablanca 13. SASMUAN 12. We'll now see some of the first quarter highlights before we call it a quarter. Take a look. From the rebound, the reverse layup, good. And the ensuing play, jump shot, from the free throw line, rattles in. That should do it in the first quarter. The score, 13-12, Florida Blanca. Second quarter is underway. Welcome to the second quarter of this fourth game of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. It's Florida Blanca versus SASMUAN. The score, 13-12. My name is Ryan Paro, doing the call live from Fernando, Pampanga. This is the BREN Convention Center. Nakagaw dito ang Florida Blanca. Fast break in the tray. Layup. Pumasok. Nicely done by Lopez. 3-point game now for Florida Blanca. Maracot has it. And Maracot was called for traveling. (15-12). Some pressure being deployed now para sa SASMUAN. Now a triple team. They cross the 8-second line. The crossover, the layup. It's good. Salvador restores back the lead of Florida Blanca to 5, 17-12. More than a minute gone by in this second chapter. Another high is taken away, but could have been a stroll in the park, but nabitawan yung bola. .8:34 in the second. There's a double team, quadruple team. Nice drop pass. Basket counts. Magpayo scores, and let's take a look at this 3-point play opportunity direct. Let's have a replay of this. Okay. 3-point play opportunity para kay Magpayo. Nope. Get it back. Puts it up. Rejected. It's going to be a foul. It's a holding foul. Breakneck speed. Did you see how Salvador glide into the defense right down the middle? 5-point game for Florida Blanca. Jumper goes out. And clearly the momentum is now on the side of Florida Blanca. Almost a steal from the backcourt. Here's the driving play, left-handed. Whoa, almost made it. That's going to be an acrobatic shot if he made that one. Ah, the shot is good. The shot is good. .7:19 remaining in the second quarter. Fast break for Salvador. Nice drop off. And that acrobatic shot didn't drop. There's a foul. Take a look at this. Yun, no, talagang if he stretch that to the right hand, he will be easily rejected. That's a smart thing to do, to fish a foul. And Lopez can be ambidextrous. He can go right, he can go left. Yung makikita ng dexterity. Free throw now. It's good. 22-14. The lead is 8 points for Florida Blanca. Bad pass. Six and 57 in the second quarter. Eight-point edge. Whoops. Stepping in the line. It's turnover. Opponent play now for SASMUAN. Spread floor. Drive-in play. There's a foul. Six and 32 remaining in the second quarter. It's a turnover. Babalik agad sa Florida Blanca ang bola. The lead is 8 points. Inside. Nako. There's a tap. That's a bad play there. Ito na SASMUAN at a fast break. That ball goes out of bounds. They have a chance pero hindi nangyari. Babalik ang bola sa Florida Blanca. The score 22-14. Some pressure defense successfully for SASMUAN, and they get the fruit of the labor of that fast break finish by Beltran. 22-16. Inside play. And another case of traveling. .5:30 remaining. Jumper. Acrobatic shot. Didn't drop. Three-point shot on its way. Wala. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Barakot and the rest of the SASMUAN ay 6 na puntos lang kanina hinahabol. Ang layo nito. Tumabing sa kaliwa ang kanyang tira. High time! Oh! Another highlight there for Florida Blanca. This guy is as good as advertised. He's been wreaking havoc. In the meantime, a failure inside the paint. Nakuha ng Florida Blanca. What a nice save, pero napunta pa rin! Nakalibre pa! (26-16), the lead is 10. 4:20 remaining sa ating second quarter. Binabati natin yung mga kasama sa UNTV Cup. Of course, episode Metal, yung Magsano, Queen Bilimor Kaba. Of course, every now within our venue announcer. In the meantime, of course, Rex Trinidad pala. Yung hype man natin mamaya. Tungol The rest of SASMUAN still down by 6 or by 10 points. And the bucket. Hang time. Oh, what a shot. Who's in eyes on the crowd here in GUIAO? Lopez. Scintillating first quarter. Another hang time move. Well, we see a lot of highlights, Direk. (28-20). The lob inside. Reyes puts it in. Beltran will bring it down. Beltran, hang time, no. Ito na, fast break, Floridablanca, and it is another bucket by this little guy. What a first half by Salvador. 12-point lead for Floridablanca, and SASMUAN calls time. Let's witness this Salvador exploits, huh? Another look of Floridablanca's first half explosion. Ating official score, mga kaibigan, is 32-20. Floridablanca with the 12-point lead. We're now 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the first half. Samantala, mintis dyan ang SASMUAN, and now the white shirts up and running. Cortez slapped that ball away, pero mananatili sa white shirts sa Floridablanca. Inbound now for Floridablanca. Looking for cutters. Ito na si Manalang on the right wing. Dorquelo from the baseline. High time. Yes, yes. Lopez. Wow. What a first half by Lopez also. Almost a turnover. It is a turnover, and it is a traveling. (34-20). The lead is 14. Looking for some cutters. Shot clock now a problem. It is now 10 seconds. Lopez lost it. Fast break for SASMUAN. There's a foul. Take a look at this replay. Uy, binitin pero sabit no? It's gonna be a foul. First free throw is good. Second free throw for Malakot. Yes. We have a timeout on the floor. 34-22. The lead is 12. Back to live action, 34-22, Florida Blanca ahead by 12. Hindi makaungos dito sa SASMUAN. Medyo nalamig ang kanilang scoring. Florida Blanca continues to be in good stead. Consistent defense. They limit SASMUAN to only 22 points in the first half. Minute and a half remaining in the first half. That's the long three from 30. Not quite. And a steal. Here it comes. Fast break opportunity for SASMUAN. They do capitalize. (24-34). Ten-point lead. Steal. SASMUAN on the break. Passing lane, they do execute properly. 4-point cluster for SASMUAN off the break. And the lead is chopped down to 8. And a steal again. Marukot! No! Ball is loose. Mad scramble. It's going to be, what, a hell ball, probably. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Bruising bit of action. Alright, meron tayong timeout on the floor. Magbabalik po kami. Welcome back. Tingnan natin kung anong aayusin dito ng Florida Blanca. They allowed SASMUAN to a 6-0 run. At medyo umungos ng konti ang bench points ng SASMUAN as compared to Florida Blanca. Not a good starting 5. 3-point shot, in and out. Aba, ang momentum unti-unti pupunta sa SASMUAN. Ito na si Cortez. Pushing the ball up court. Harassed. But the referee says there's a foul from the rear. It is a nudge. At matatawagan na si Gregorio. Tingnan natin yung play na yun. Ayun, kitang-kita. It's a nudge on that last bit of action in slow-mo. Ito na. SASMUAN pushing the ball up from the corner. 2 seconds to go. Puts it up. Ay! Bitin. Time expired. That's it for our first half before we go to a halftime break. Do we have some highlights? O mamaya na? Mamaya na siguro. 26 points for SASMUAN. 34 points for Florida Blanca. Are we going to show some highlights? Okay. We'll show you some of the highlights because after this we will have more highlights for you. Let's see this one for your viewing pleasure. Okay, ito ang isa sa mga highlights natin. Look at that, Tipsy-Do. That's Salvador's exploits on the other hand for SASMUAN. In fluid motion, fast break, passing play, great execution there by Cortez. That's about it for our first half. We'll be right back for the second half. It's an 8-point Florida Blanca lead here in Delta Cup. Okay po, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. As I promised, so we will show more highlights at mamaya-maya ipapakita natin ang ating top scores. 34-26 Florida Blanca, up by 8. Ito na po. Isa sa mga highlight natin itong reverse layup. Ganda no? Gandang dukot. Ito naman, fast break para sa SASMUAN. Ito yung fluid motion, passing play, magandang execution. Ito naman ang Florida Blanca Dipsidu ni Salvador. At ito naman yung ensuing play. Ang gandang tira ni Lopez using his left hand. At ito pa yung isa pang highlight. Siku shot. At pakita natin direct ang ating mga leading scores for both squads. For Florida Blanca, 11 points for Salvador, 7 for Lopez, and 2 for Gregorio. At para naman sa SASMUAN, 6 for Beltran, 4 for Cortez, and 4 for Tungo. With just a few minutes left, I will take a short break. We'll be right back for the third quarter action. This is Delta Cup. Okay mga kabalen, we're just moments away. We're 20 seconds away to start this third quarter. Again, lamang na lamang po ang Florida Blanca laban sa SASMUAN, 34-26. Magandang hapon po mga at panapon kayo. Live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. 5 on the floor for Florida Blanca. We have Serrano, Salvador, number 7, number 26, and number 5. And for SASMUAN, we have 25, 30, 18, 3, and 11 Cortez. Welcome to the third quarter of our basketball action. Game 4 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Tingnan natin anong formation ng SASMUAN. Agone flashing play. Nako, naantala yun. Tinamaan si floor director. Ayan, nabinyagan ka na direct. Tinamaan natin FD. 9 on the shot clock. Here's the jump shot by Beltran. Nothing but net. 6-point lead now for Florida Blanca. 14 to shoot. Here's the 3 ball. Yes! Straight and through, Salvador. And that's 13 points now for Salvador. And for Beltran, he's already got 8 points. Ang layong tres nito. Oh! 30-foot shot by Beltran, and he has 11 points. 5-point cluster for Beltran. Layo. Salvador against the triple team, quadruple team. Okay, tinawagan. Si number 5, tinawagan ng traveling. (37-21). The lead is 6. Tingnan natin kung makakabalik sa SASMUAN. This is just a 6-point game. Anything can happen. Wow! From the logo. Alam nyo to si SASMUAN. Kung titignan mo yung jersey niya sa likod, Steph Curry eh. Talagang gayang-gaya niya no? Direct. Oh, what a layup! Oh boy, this third quarter is between Salvador and SASMUAN. Mano y mano. And Salvador now has 15 points. Another steal, and here's Salvador! No! Wow! This is a guard blockbuster theater that we're seeing. Salvador versus Beltran. Dalawang kitiki-tiki mula sa Sasmuan and Floridablanca respectively. And Salvador now will shoot to the line for 2 shots. He has 15 points. He bungled that first. Nope. Miss ball. 39-31. This lead which once stood at 12. Now it's down to 6. Chopped down to half. Ito na. Banal from the corner. 100 shot. Oh, that's a big shot. First basket for Banal. 39-33. And a steal by Banal. Here's Beltran. From the corner, Cortez. Cortez fakes. Drops it up. Shot. Ribs out. Maransala on tight threes. Tumatakbo na ngayon ng Floridablanca. Gregorio crossover. Blows by. Salvador was fouled. He was fouled. Look at this. A pass to Salvador. He was whacked. Missed the last 2 free throws. Ito si Salvador. He has 16 points. Prime candidate for the best player honors para sa Floridablanca. They lead by 7. Miss. Split. 7-point cluster for Floridablanca. SASMUAN hanging on to the coattails. Japson. Balik kay Beltran. Cortez baseline. Nabitawan, nabulabog. It's a match scramble. Oh. Teka muna. May jump ball tayo. Session now goes to Floridablanca. Ayan o. Kinuyog. Nag-agawang buko. Ayan na. Jump ball. Ang tinawag na ating referee. 7-point game. Fall away. It's no good. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha muli. Gregorio spots. Gets it to go. And Lopez. Is that Lopez? No. It's number 7 player who scored the basket. That's Gregorio. Gregorio has 4 points now. Cortez for 3. Wala. Rebound. Salvador. He's been everywhere. Salvador dishes. The shot, no. Salvador gets it right back against tall threes. Ayaw. Gregorio has it. Shot clock still at 10 seconds. 3-point shot, right corner court. Beaten. Still a lot of time remaining. 6:09 to go. The lead is 9 points for the white shirts of Floridablanca. Banal for 3. Air ball. Halos. Salvador now drops it off. And it was batted away. (33-42). Inbound, bad pass. Almost a counter steal. It is a completed counter steal. Another turnover. Ito na SASMUAN on the attack. Beltran. Wow. What a bogey between these two. 13 points for Beltran. Salvador has 16 points. Battle of the guards nang nakikita natin ng game story dito. Shot clock at 10 seconds. Side step. Yes. Pumasok. Lead is back to 7. That's Serrano. Ito na. On drive. Sapal ni Lopez. Shot clock winding down. The shot goes for Cortez. And Cortez now has 6 points. Over the baseline. There's a whistle. All right, shot clock will reset to 14 seconds. Ito na si Lopez. Lamang pa rin dito Floribablanca ng Espito. 10 on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Gregorio. Oh, nice floater. And now Gregorio has 6 points. 46 to 37. All right, there's a foul on Salvador. All right, bola lang yun sa SASMUAN. Time remaining is 3:57. Here it comes. Pass from the corner, 3 ball. It goes to SASMUAN, still won't bite. One more serving. Fresh 14. All right, ball is in play. And it's a steal. Salvador has it. Salvador on the fast break. They let it go. There's final foul finally. A technical foul on Maracot. That's big. Let's see that again. Free throws now for Serrano. Serrano makes the technical free throw. (47-37). Cortez. Turnaround. Wala. Rebound. Nako pa rin sa SASMUAN. Cortez fakes. Fires. Wala. Block. Another block shot but there's a foul. It's going to be a foul on Manuel. Yun, ang daming offensive rebound. Kada Blanca, tuloy lang. Finally, ref signals a foul. Free throws now for the defended party. Banal misses. Split. The lead is 9 points for Floribablanca. 47-39. 3 minutes na tayo sa ating third quarter. Both teams still out of team foul penalty. 10 to shot clock. Layup. It doesn't go. Bad pass. And while on the bad pass, one player was called for traveling. (47-38). 2:35. Inside, shot clock violation. for Floridablanca. Approaching 2 minutes, starting third quarter. Wow! That's wow! Surprise hit! That deserves a second look mamaya. Approaching the 2-minute mark, another basket by Floridablanca. A 3-point shot on its way. Wala. And somebody's injured. I think the medics of Pampanga will take a closer look at this guy. Hurt his shoulder on that one. Directing na natin yung replay kung paano nangyari nagkaroon siya ng shoulder injury. Can we do that? Let's see this replay. For the rebound. Ay, may tulak. May tulak. Kung pagka-grab niya ng rebound, napuruhan eh. Ito, isa pang look natin. Daan-daan natin direct. Oh, yun! Pagka-rebound, yung number 11, nabangga niya yung shoulder. Nabangga yung shoulder niya. Ayun. That's accidental actually. Hurt his left shoulder off the rebound. Direct, pa-replay natin kay Comleo. Direct, let's see it one more time on that angle. Here it comes. Here's the shot. Here's the rebound. Ayan, slow it down, Direct. Slow down tayo dyan. Slow down. Here's the rebound. Ayun. Left shoulder. Accidental. Thank you, Direct. So, it's a tough luck for SASMUAN on that injury. 49-40. So, bawas sila ng isang tao. He's playing good defensive stance but he needs to be escorted out of the court for this semi-traumatic incident. Kahit sino naman tayo, ayaw natin makakita ng isang player na ma-injured. Pero that's basketball. That's a contact sport. And we need to ensure that he'll be okay hopefully in the coming days. Speedy recovery from him. In the meantime, back to live action. Here's the kickball. Mananatili yung bola sa SASMUAN and they have 2.0. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 2.0 seconds pero dapat i-reset natin yan sa 14. Yeah, kasi kickball eh. Yan, kickball. Shot clock we set to 14. Bad pass. Counter steal, and they can succeed with that. Excuse me. They succeed with that. 49-42. Another turnover. Yes. And here's the comeback trail by SASMUAN. Nice pass. And listen to the squad roar. A save by Seb Sarmenta. Backcourt violation. And look at the crowd of SASMUAN. They can sense the comeback. 6-0 run by SASMUAN on this incident. A minute and 7 remaining in this third quarter. Lob pass again. Put back, no good. Sayang. .1 seconds and the shot clock is at 14 seconds. .15 ticks to go. Long three short. Nakuha pa rin na SASMUAN ng bola. Nice spin. Nice drop pass. Wow! The second stringers of SASMUAN has come alive. Vista and the rest of SASMUAN, the bench points. 8 bench points scored on that 3-minute run. We have a timeout. Let's see this. Great one. Okay, biglang namatay ang ating shot clock. So, babalik tayo dun sa kinagawian. (49 to 46). 3-point lead. Floridablanca feeling the pressure. Bounce pass, triple team. And there's another error for this guy. He will be called for traveling. 49 to 46. SASMUAN just a 3-point edge. 26 ticks to go. Dito sa Delta Cup. Third quarter pa lamang tayo. We're still eternity of basketball ahead of us. Crossover by Cortez. Drops it up. No. 10 seconds. Here's a driving play. Yes. Basket for Floridablanca. 3 seconds to go. 2 seconds. Block. That's it. That's the end of the third period. The score is 51 to 46 in favor of Floridablanca. Let's show you some highlights of the third quarter. This is the one. Drive and draw play. Beltran with the basket, and Beltran now has 15 points. And on the other end, another scoring spree by Lopez. Magbabalik po tayo. Okay, papunta na po tayo sa ating fourth quarter action. At may dapat gapanapon kayo mga kabalen. Ako po yung lingkod Ryan Palo sa ating game between Mabalacat and Floridablanca. What an alley-oop play! Ho ho! What an alley-oop play. I'm now sharing this on my Facebook account. 9:40 to play in this ball game. It's just a 3-point game. Enjoy while it's hot. Here's the drive. Kick out. 3-ball. Got it. That's Orima who scored a basket there. Jump shot won't go. Rebound again by Layo for Floridablanca. Salvador. Up fake para sa Floridablanca. From the baseline. Shot clock winding down. No. Offensive rebound. Fresh shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. They need to put it up so quick. Acrobatic shot. Oh! What a shot! Oh, Salvador! The littlest guy on the floor with an amazing dipsy do. Take a look at this and enjoy this Kabalen moment. Oh, wow! Salvador playing the game of his life. He has 20 points. Top scoring for Floridablanca. Not allowing SASMUAN to come back. He has 21. Pulling up the Fireman's Cup at this point. 57-48. Magsino now para sa SASMUAN. Biglang nabunutan ng tinik ang Floridablanca doon sa comeback aspirations ng SASMUAN. Pero eto na ang kanilang starting five. So far, we have a match scramble. Sabi ng referee is gonna be a jump ball. At ang bola mapupunta sa Floridablanca possession arrow. So yun ating shot clock. Nasa opposite side of the floor. 48-57 the lead is 9 points for Floridablanca. Time down to 8 minutes and 15. Ito yung atake ng white shirts. Salvador. Thought about it. Ito, 3-point shot from the left corner. Wala. And Salvador chases it. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim. It's going to be free throws now for Lopez. Hindi pumasok. One more for Lopez. He missed both. Score still stands as 57-48. Time down to 7 minutes and 55 sa ating ball game. Circle shot once again. Oh, Beltran wants to outdo what Salvador did earlier. Orima drives, binangga at may foul. Pasiklaban sila, no? Salvador at Beltran, ha? In the meantime, let's see that again. Binangga, may foul. Mutik na siya tama ng camera. Orima na for 2 free throws. First free throw is no good for Orima. Yan, binabati ko yung mga kasama natin sa UNTV Sports, Rex-Sinida, Dinabili mo camera, EJ Awitin, Coach Ronnie, Magsanok, Sep Sarmenta, Nawat Pinino, Aquino Stadium. Mintis to si Orima. Mapupunta ang bola sa SASMUAN. Pretty closely fought encounters. 7.5 remaining in the fourth. Alright. Again, we're coming to you live dito sa BREN Convention Center. My name is Ryan Paro. Doing the call for this fourth game of 6. Manalang. Not much time on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Cortez needs to put it up. Drop pass. Tungo. Puts it up. It's in. The lead is 7 for Floridablanca, 57-50. 7 minuto na lang in this ball game. Salvador will make his move. Drops it up. Kick out 3. Wala. Rebound. Manalang. Fast break for SASMUAN. They have numbers. And he wisely gives to Beltran, who wants to outsmart Salvador. But Salvador has other plans for it. Both teams now, the two best players are now dabbing on the ball like there's no tomorrow. The joust of Beltran and Salvador continues in a high-octane, intense ball game. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Look at this. Salvador and Beltran proves that basketball in the Philippines and in Pampanga is well much alive. (57-50). And now SASMUAN within 17 na natin kung makakabalik sila sa laro. They need more bench production points or maybe Beltran's exploit. Shot clock at 15. Crossover. Cortez. Sees daylight. The lead is 5. The lead is 5. 57-52. 6:17. We are on this entertaining fourth game of 6. Batted away, not quite. Florida Blanca pa rin ang bola. It's gonna be a charge, offensive foul. And Orima can't believe it. Let's see that again in slow-mo. That thing inbound. Okay. And because of that infraction, Orima will be called for what? Technical? And that's a technical of due to resentment to a call. So sometimes if you're too emotionally immersed in the game, it might backfire you. Kailangan lang cool na cool lang. Yan ang sinasabi. Parang cool ka. Ito si Cortez, titira ng free throw. Hindi yan si Mike Cortez. 2 shots for Cortez. 4-point game. 4-point game. 57-53. Here we go. SASMUAN within striking distance. All they need is a field goal at this point. Layo, Beltran! Good line. Back irons it. Fast break for Florida Blanca. Counter steal by Beltran. Forward pitch to someone. Oh! He lost it. He lost it. He lost it. Okay, upo muna si Manalang. We'll hit a turnover early on that last bit of action. The lead is now 4, 57-53, 5:45 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Play number 0 ang gusto ni Salvador. Much better, much bigger and bulkier defender on him. He will use his quickness that time. Baseline drive, thwarted on the outside. Shot clock winding down. It's only 3 seconds. They need to put it up. Naubusan na shot clock. Oh, nice break. It goes out. And play continues. SASMUAN within striking distance. He will drive hard. No. Put back. Up. May pito na ang referee. Meron tayong foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Here's the drive by SASMUAN. Missed it. Off the wing. Ooh, may konting siko. Ayun, tama. May foul talaga yun. That's a good call by reps. 57-53. This is a 4-point lead for Florida Blanca. Time down to 5 minutes and 7 sa ating third quarter. There's a pick provided. It's going to be a good start of game here. Shot clock now at 10 seconds. Let's see how going to extricate. So well! Great execution. Keeping SASMUAN at bay. Head above water itong Florida Blanca. 4:45 remaining, 15 on the shot clock. 6-point lead para sa Florida Blanca. Cortez wants an isolation. There's a 3-point shot. That's short. Rebound control. Here's Beltran down the base. Nice pass inside. Goes for the hook shot. Short as well. Battle for the rebound. There's a foul on Beltran. Po muna si Beltran. We'll be back in a few minutes. Take a look at this bruising meter action in slow-mo. There's a block shot. And after the joust, Beltran was called for the foul. That's his third personal. Po muna si Beltran. He's been the star. May penalty situation in effect na ang SASMUAN. Florida Blanca only has 1 team foul. First is good. Free throw is good. The lead is 7. I think we need a breather. Hinga muna ako. Napaka-excited itong laro na to. 61-53, 4:27. We'll be right back after this timeout. Okay, back to live action tayo dito sa PANYULUNG Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. We are on the last 4 minutes and 27. Nag-comeback aspirations dito ang SASMUAN, but it fell short. Here's the block. Smothering block by Lopez. Let's see that again in slow-mo. This towering block by Lopez. Supalpal. Back to live action. That pass is too wide. Turnover. Four and 10 remaining. Team foul situation. SASMUAN in penalty. Florida only has one team foul. You can see that on the bars there below. 4 minutes to go. The shot from the three-pointer, just missed it. Tad short. Oh, kailangan na SASMUAN dito. Let's get organized here. We are down by just 8. Here's the sidestep on the outside. Here's the drive and draw, the spin. That's a nice play. Ayaw lang pumasok. That's a good play, ha? Drive and draw and then kick out with box, high box. Box one play. Salvador block. His dazzling drive was thwarted. Let's see that again. Salvador, gusto niyang sumayaw, gusto niyang gumalaw, pero sabi ng SASMUAN, Blanca, no way. And that's going to be a foul, so 3 free throws for Salvador. 21 points. Second free throw for Salvador. 22. Again, this is game 4 of 6. 64 to 53. The lead is 21 points. Or, sorry, 11 points. Cortez, put back. No. Florida Blanca, Cruz control the rebound, but it might lost it. No. Lopez secures it. They're still in the backcourt. Cross the 8-second line. Nice fake. Inside. Pump fake. Blanca. Last this time for SASMUAN. They're down by 10 to 57. Cortez goes for the home run. And the coach of Florida Blanca pressed the timeout buzzer. Let's see this last fast break layup as we move to this timeout. Tingnan natin direct. 8 puntos ang hinahabol ng SASMUAN. Timeout. Time down to 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. It's an 8-point game para sa Florida Blanca. Let's see if SASMUAN can mount a full-scale uprising in this part of the match. Patuloy tayo dito sa Delta Cup. Press ng SASMUAN might be unsuccessful. Walang pala tinawag doon. Muntik na siya ma-stepping on the line. Ito na si Salvador. Binigay sa kanyang kakampi. 9 to shoot now for the white shirts. Down to 5 seconds. Lopez. Are they aware of it? Ito na shot. Ayun. Di tumama. Patumama sa ring. So play continues. 8-point lead. Down to 6 with a layup. Pwede pa to. Pwede pa to. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna stand because we are about to witness this finale. Another basket there by Florida Blanca. We're down to the last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes brought to you by Molten, the official ball of the Delta Cup. SASMUAN down by 8 points. They need to score. Cortez batted away. Under the last 2 minutes, they can replay that if they want to. They're gonna challenge it. Hindi na, sabi. Hindi na i-challenge. Okay, are they gonna replay? Sige, direct. Let's have a replay because we're under the last 2 minutes. Instant replay of the last out-of-bounds play, please. Let's see this. Ayun na ating floor director. Tingnan natin kung ano naging hatol. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging resulta. Yung last out-of-bounds play natin. Okay, let's have this. If i-atras mo pa ng konti direct. Atras mo pa ng konti. Mga 5 seconds. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Rep. Let's see this. Okay. Okay, sige. Roll it direct, roll it. Here's the play. Here's the drive. Sige, tuloy. Batted away. Okay. Go ahead, ref. Thank you, Direct. The referees made the decision. And after the review, the ball will go to Floridablanca. 65-57. The lead is 8. Meron tayong substitution. Mosino, brief press for Beltran. Last ditch stand for Beltran. He needs scoring and defensive. Yun ang nawala kanina nung upo si Beltran. Ngayon, we are on equal footing. Let's see how far they can steal it. Lopez receives it, drives. The drop. Short, rebound, still, white ball, fresh 14. 10 on the shot clock. Salvador scores! What a move by Salvador! On the other end, Manukot, quick retaliation. The lead is 8. A minute and 21. Here's Floridablanca with the ball. A minute and 19. Still in the backcourt. Brings it down. Almost a turnover. It's a tap. Yes, it is a turnover. Babalik ang bola sa SASMUAN. We have a substitution. Salvador is the unanimous choice of the best player should Floridablanca wins, but the game is not yet over. Still an 8-point game with a minute and 10. Here's the driving play. Yes, Marukot scores. The lead is just 6 points. A minute and 7. Layog brings it downtown. Layog is all alone. No. Quickly dispatched by 2 defensive players. Beltran wants to harass him. Salvador now double team. 56 seconds. Salvador trap. Here it is. The drive. The drop. Open! Oh, what a play! What a play! Timeout. Timeout by SASMUAN, but we're not gonna take over. We're gonna hang on to the air. I'm not gonna take a break. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Remember, we just finished 4 games. Excuse me, we still have 2 more. Let's see this last bit of action in slow-mo. Here's the slow-mo replay. Here's the shot. Now, game reset tayo mga kaibigan. Floridablanca has 1 more timeout to call. And they can give up 4 fouls before entering penalty. Samantalang sa SASMUAN, they have 1 more timeout to call and they are in penalty situation. So yun ang medyo big advantage dito na Floridablanca. Time remaining, 50.8 seconds. The score, 69-61. Floridablanca ahead by 8 in this game 4 of 6 of our broadcast dito sa Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Paro. Beltran, latch this time for SASMUAN. They need to put it up some scoring right now. Baseline, Cortez, pinilit. Cortez, shot clock at 7. Almost lost. Here's Cortez. Cortez, hang time move. Wala, put back, yes. And quickly, a timeout by Floridablanca. The lead is 6 points. The game is not yet over. We're gonna hang on to the air. We have 2 more games to play. Let's recap yung results kanina. Nanalo ang Guagua laban sa Masantol. The first game kanina, Mabalacat wins over Mexico. Third game, Santa Ana, rousing win over Arayat, 85-65. And now, this SASMUAN in Floridablanca. It looks like Floridablanca might win it, but still, we have enough time. 36.6 seconds. Ang bola mapupunta sa Floridablanca. They might inbound on the backcourt or the frontcourt, depending on what they wish. Florida Blanca will inbound on the backcourt. That means SASMUAN can pressure the ball carrier. But on the contrary, Florida Blanca can go for a press break situation. Here's the inbound. Nice lob pass. Lopez can go all the way. He scored! They press the break. They break the press. Nicely done for Florida Blanca. Half a minute remaining. 3-point shot by SASMUAN. Wala. And let's review this last bit of action out of bounds. So that, direct, sorry. Let's have a replay on that last bit of action. Top view camera, please. Here's the shot. Here's the tap. Okay. The ball will stay. SASMUAN ball. After the review, the ball will stay on SASMUAN. The lead is 8 points, 24.5 seconds. Should SASMUAN miss, well, Florida Blanca might win it. Here's the inbound. Bad pass. Layog steals it. And it looks like Florida Blanca might get this. So 2 more free throws. First free throw is good. 72-63. Salvador. Second free throw is no good. 19 seconds. And that might be it. Too little, too late. And Florida Blanca wins this. Final score, 72-63. What a performance by Salvador all game long. And he will be judged as the best player of the ball game. Stay tuned. I'll interview Mr. Salvador. Final score, 72-63, Florida Blanca.
Hello, test, mic. Mic test. Mic test. Wait, pause.
Sound check, sound check. A resounding victory para sa Florida Blanca, 72-63. RB Salvador ang pili nating best player of the game. Mainly because he's scoring, pero eto matanong ko lang. Nung chine-check ka na sa fourth quarter, yung teammates mo nag-respond na fourth quarter dahil sa magandang exploits mo na first 3 quarters, paano mo sila na-motivate na hindi lang ikaw gagawa, dapat total team effort?
Yung tiwala pong binigay sa mga teammates ko.
And of course, ano pang mga abilities mo? Ano pa yung mga skills na kailangan mo pang ma-improve para pag nakaharap mo yung mga top tier teams, handang-handa ka na?
Yung shooting po at yung teamwork pa po namin. Paghahandaan po namin yung bawat laban namin.
Alright, so RB, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, pwede ka nang bumati, magpasalamat na ito ka.
Binabati ko nga pala yung sila Mayor at Coach Aldaren. Maraming salamat sa support at sa family ko, sa family ng girlfriend ko. Shoutout kay Eunice Bantog. Tsaka mga tropa ko sa amin.
A very shy, humble guy, but he's plays all. Congratulations, RB Salvador, best player of the ball game. Ang game 5 natin, magalang. We have another team to play. 2 more games to play. Delta Cup continues after this.